Hi, this is Abid Khasmi for Desi TV USA, and here are the major headlines. We bring you news as it happens. Please press the bell icon and subscribe our channel to get the latest updates from around the world and stay informed. From today, Jeff Bezos will no longer be the chief executive officer of the company he founded. The current head of web services, Andy Jassy, will be the one succeeding him at Amazon. That all comes as Amazon faces harsh criticism over its treatment of workers as well as its business model. For the 27 years, this has been Amazon's stated mission: customer satisfaction number one. From pioneering customer reviews to Alexa, its AI personal assistants, to 2 days shipping and then same day delivery. Jeff Bezos put customers first, even it seems above shareholders. It took Amazon more than 4.5 years after going public to make a quarterly profit. Two decades to see the billions then start rolling in. Bill Carr, a former Amazon executive, says Bezos was willing to take risks. Case in point, Amazon Prime, which launched in 2005. Today, a growing chorus of voices believe Amazon's growth has come at a high cost. As the COVID-19 pandemic drove its sales up by 38% last year, Amazon hired 500,000 people. Growing its workforce by more than 60%. While an attempt to unionize at an Alabama facility in April ultimately failed, but that threat hasn't gone away. One of the biggest US labor unions, the Teamsters, has made building worker power at Amazon its top priority. Amazon told us they have invested $1 billion in new safety measures in 2020. In his last shareholder letter as a CEO, Jeff Bezos updated his mission to become Earth's best employer and Earth's safest place to work. It's a challenge his successor, Andy Jassy, now inherits. The man who built Amazon Web Services from scratch into the number one player in the global cloud market. He will likely have to do more on this, defending Amazon before lawmakers who believe it's a threat to competition. Amazon, after Bezos, just like Bezos himself, will have to reckon with the risk. Soon Bezos will be flying to space on the first crewed flight of the New Shepard, the rocket ship made by space company Blue Origin. His flight is scheduled for July 20th. Bezos will take the title of Amazon's Chief Executive Chair, where he says he will focus his energy and attention on new products and early initiatives. Thank you for watching. For more news and updates, please click on our link tree.